Hey everyone, if you want to enable HD mode in DroidCam for sharper and clearer video, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to get the best video quality using DroidCam. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of both the DroidCam app on your phone and the DroidCam client on your computer. Keeping both apps updated helps ensure you have access to the latest video quality improvements. Next, connect your phone to your computer using either a USB cable or the same Wi-Fi network. Yeah, if you want the most stable HD video, a USB connection is usually the better choice. Now, open the DroidCam client and look for the available video quality or resolution settings. Select the highest resolution supported by your version of DroidCam and your phone. If you're using the free version, some HD features may be limited, while the premium version offers additional resolution options. After that, place your phone in a well-lit area and clean the camera lens. Good lighting can improve video quality just as much as changing the resolution settings. Finally, open Zoom, OBS Studio, Google Meet, Discord, or any other app you're using, and make sure DroidCam source is selected as the camera. If available, choose the highest video resolution in that application as well. And that's it. You've successfully optimized DroidCam for the best possible HD video quality. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next